So good morning to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Tata Motors share. So we know that currently the stock is down almost 8% and it is trading near the 290 rupees level. And you can see currently the time is around 11:30. So not only Tata Motors, so many stocks have shown correction today. Major large cap companies have corrected. So that was the major reason why we have seen almost Nifty is down with 2.8%. So what are the major reasons for this fall? So clearly we know that a panic situation has been created in the market due to the rise in the COVID cases, and India has surpassed Brazil and it is ranked at top 2 country with maximum COVID cases. And if you see other reasons, you can see rupee fall is another reason where analysts are predicting that it may be the other reason for the fall in the stock market. So clearly we have discussed whenever any such correction is happening, you need to take the opportunity and start investing in best quality stocks. So in Telegram also I am discussing on a regular basis which stock you can buy, and also in Instagram as well. So please do join in the Telegram so that you will be benefited for educational purpose and also you will be gaining some knowledge. So in this video we'll discuss the complete technicals of Tata Motors, and also there are few updates regarding it which have been released in the morning. So we'll discuss that and then we'll switch over to the technical charts to find out the next possible target. Okay, so make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first discussing about the updates on Tata Motors, you can see the company will collaborate with its dealer to build vehicle scrapyards in Howrah, Karnal, Hyderabad and Greater Mumbai as India's largest truck maker sets sights on emerging business opportunities. So this was the particular update which has been released in the morning. So previously also we have discussed all the updates on Tata Motors regarding the CNG equipment kit. So all those updates also we have discussed. So currently we know that little correction happens implies auto stocks also will be in pressure, and majorly pharma companies and IT companies, so they move a little in soft way without any heavy correction. So Tata Motors, we know it is a well established stock in electric vehicle segment and it has the potential to generate a very good returns for the long term, but because of this temporary fall, so don't create any panic situation in mind. So each correction is an opportunity. So whenever each correction is happening, try to invest in small portions. So don't try to put entire bulk investments. So let's say 10 to 15% of your investment would be better. So where to enter at which level, so that also we'll try to find out. Okay, so before that, let's see how the deliveries have been taken on a regular basis. So you can see on April 9th we have taken almost 11.6% deliveries have been taken, and the stock has showed almost 1.4 positive movement. So that time it has closed near 318, so stock was looking pretty good, but today's gap down movement has created little trouble for it. So otherwise it is almost well settled near the level. So as usual, correction is an opportunity. We should not feel bad about correction, rather you should feel happy that you are getting this particular stock at low level and you can average at that particular level, because many people have missed the rally. So now don't miss the rally. So try to buy at that particular level which we are going to discuss. So don't have any panic situation if you're invested in any stock which is showing any loss. So these are all are temporary falls. So basically due to global factors only they show the correction, but again they'll start retracing. Without retracing, Nifty won't go anywhere. Bank Nifty also won't go anywhere. Again they'll reach their all-time high. So that is pretty clear. Okay, so we're back onto the technical charts, and you can see currently it is near the 291.70 rupees, and you can see it is down almost 8.33%. So you can see after a very good rally it has been generated in the previous trading session. So you can see now it is trying to move in a channel. So you can see the base support for this particular price, you can see near 290, 280. So those particular regions are very important. What I'm telling, between 280 and 290. Okay, so this particular region will be the region where volume may be increased, that is buying may take place between these particular regions. So make sure you're keeping an eye between these particular levels. Any level is okay, but between 280 and 290, that is going to be very important. So because we also have the pivot point there, and also this stock has approached that earlier also, and it has considerably retraced. So if you go little bit down and if you see money flow index also, you can see currently it is near 71. So earlier it was in 80s region, so that is little overbought region. So after that also it has settled little bit and it has come near the 280 290 region. Okay, so that was in 1 week chart. So in 1 day chart also you can see same thing, the 50-day exponential moving average, which was coming out near 297. So when it has come a little down, so that time only we have seen a little bearishness in Tata Motors today. So 300 rupees level, that was also crucial today. So it has gone below that. So after that only it has approached the 290 rupees region. So earlier also it has gone below the 50-day exponential moving average, but again it has considerably retraced. I want to tell you one important thing regarding today's fall. So whenever any heavy fall is happening, so obviously again it will start retracing. So whenever any small fall like 1% fall is there, so that is a steady fall. So whenever heavy fall at a time like 3% 4%, so that is something a panic fall, and that is temporary fall. So you need to understand that again market will retrace with that particular fall, but when 1% fall is there, so that time you need to think that okay, little weakness is present, so steady fall is present, so that time you need to book your profit, but not in these type of falls where 3% 4% single day fall is present. So ultimately they will get retraced after a certain period of time. Okay, so now discussion on Tata Motors. So you can see support wise we have discussed between 280 and 290 would be the best supply zone, and you can add at that particular levels. And coming to resistance, so that is very important, right? So resistance is 300. After that we have 305 rupees as the next immediate resistances. So focus on supports, because now we are since in correction phase, so try to buy near the 280 290 region for the long term. Okay, so that was about the various supports and resistances. So if you go a little down and see money flow index, you can see that is near 65 and it is not going down. Surprisingly, what that is imply? It implies that buying is seen at that particular levels. So definitely today's deliverables also will be pretty good. So if it is increasing on regular basis, though, that is clear indication that buying is seen at that particular levels. So definitely watch the levels between 280 and 290. So immediate resistance would be 300. So updates wise also we have seen some emerging collaborations are also happening with Tata Motors, so that is also very positive news. And little correction basically happens when panic situation created. So corona period is a very good opportunity for you. Try to buy some good quality stocks, so don't have any panic situation. So if you're having any doubts, you can message me in the comment section and also in the Instagram. So until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.